Bishal, can you teach me your body language method? Bishal, can you teach me the technique of voice modulation?
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
So many times people ask me about my methods. Bishal, can you teach me your method of impromptu speaking? Bishal, can you teach me the method of handling tough questions from the audience? Bishal, can you teach me your body language method? Bishal, can you teach me the technique of voice modulation? How do you do that, Bishal? You go on stages and you really eloquently speak and engross the attention of the audience. How do you do that? And of course, I have methods, but you gotta understand something. Your methods are like punching, not just punching back, but boxing gloves. I can have the best boxing glove in the world, right? I can just have the best, most expensive, whatever boxing glove with me. But if I don't have strength within me, that method does not matter. Because I can't punch right. I'll have the method like, oh yeah, I have to punch, but it's gonna be weak. So method is fine, but what's more important is who's using that method. Any body language technique, any public speaking technique, any business technique. People often ask me, Bishal, can you tell me how to get on big stages? How can people pay me lakhs and lakhs of rupees to speak for 45 minutes like you get paid? They're asking for technique, but they're not willing to become the real man. It's not about just the methods, it's about the mindset as well. It's about the mastery, it's about your mentality. Because I often say to people, if you don't improve your mentality, you will not change your reality. So methods are important, but if you want to become, like it says, unbeatable, then what you have to understand is you have to be incomparable. And how do you do that? You work on yourself. The major work we do at the Confident Speaker Live Workshop is not just methods. Don't take me wrong. I will give you hundreds of methods for overcoming stage fear, becoming a confident speaker, for grabbing the attention of the audience, to stand out from the crowd, for voice modulation and body language and handling tough questions from the audience, and to connect with an audience, to engage the people, to really make people laugh and have the right kind of storytelling, and how to use your hand gestures and movements. And we talk about all the methods. But more important than the methods is we make you the man first that you need to be. Because let me tell you this. Let me be very hard on you for the next 30 seconds. Your parents have raised you, and I'm sure your parents have done a good job. But what the fuck do your parents know about today's world? Your parents raised you for their time, not for today's time. Your parents did not know the world was going to be so poisonous today. They raised you from a place of security, not from a place of challenge. Your parents loved you, but did not make you a leader. They kept you safe, but they did not inspire you for freedom. Think about it. If you go to your parents in general, and probably you're 45-year-old, and you go to your parent and you say, I'm leaving my job, going for business, want to achieve freedom, what do you think your parents will say? Are you nuts? You have kids, you have wife. Why are you doing it? Don't do it. You're my son. They are there to keep you safe. They don't want you to try something new. And that's what I'm about. I'm about to make you the modern man that you need to be. And that does not mean just getting money. That does not mean just getting spirituality. It's about having it all. It's about having the mindset and the methods and the mastery. Because once you have that, that's when you become the confident speaker, the confident leader. You can have the money, the fame, the name, the game, the tame. You're gonna have it all, because it all starts with your mindset, your mentality, and the person you're becoming. So remember, it's not just about the methods, it's about the person you're becoming behind that method. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.